I'm Ryan Canoe, and today we're testing another Johnson 3-horse from 1965. This one's pretty clean. I call it Hammerhead because it's got a bunch of dents in the tank, but this is the first time we've had it in the water. So the previous owner said he had it under his house for 5 years, and the person he bought it from said he hadn't run it in 5 years. But believe it or not, I sprayed some gas on the carburetor and it started right up. So I took the carburetor apart, gave it a good cleaning. I didn't even look at the electrical system, just because it ran so well in the tank. So I figured, let's go try it. So let's see what it does. So this little JW 3-horse is a weedless motor. It means the prop aims down at like a 30-degree angle. So they actually work pretty good on the canoes, because the canoe's so long, it wants to help that thing get over and get flat again. So instead of sticking the nose up in the air. Anyways, let's get to the good fishing spot. At the boat, at the end of the pole. Pulling pretty good. Oh, it's just a baby. That's not bad for top water for this morning. What do you think?
Smallest one ever.
All right, so the fishing's been sparse, so we're gonna try another location, but we are 1-1, nobody's leading. There we go. Well, that was a pretty successful test of the JW20. So I think that ends this video. So as you figure out that all these little motors have some sort of quirk, this one wasn't too bad for pulling it out of the garage and dusting it off and not messing with the electronics. I think we did pretty good today. I'm gonna tune on the ignition a little bit, and I'm gonna change the water pump, and I think this one's a keeper. All right, thanks for watching.